Lucius is counting backward by sevens. His first three numbers are 100, 93, and 86. What is his 10th number? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Each number is 7 less than the one before it. So this is an arithmetic sequence that starts at 100, with a common difference of -7. To get the 10th number, we start at 100 and subtract 7 a total of 9 times. That is, 100 minus 7 times 9. 7 times 9 is 63, and 100 minus 63 is 37. We can also just list the sequence out. 100, 93, 86, 79, 72, 65, 58, 51, 44, and the 10th number is 37. So Lucius's 10th number is 37.